If you need to remove a device from your Grubhub account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and up to date. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your device or visit the Grubhub website on your browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Grubhub account. Make sure you use the account from which you want to remove the device. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the Account Settings section. This can usually be found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Step 4. Manage Devices. Look for an option that says Manage Devices or Device Management. This section will show you all the devices currently linked to your account. Step 5. Remove the device. Select the device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to confirm the removal. Ensure that you complete this step to successfully unlink the device. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove any devices associated with your Grubhub account. Always remember to keep your account secure by regularly checking your device settings.